Okay, we're going to go over all the equipment pieces. First we have the quiver, which is our piece of equipment that holds our arrows. We'll have 3 arrows per athlete. Next we have the arm guard, which will go on the arm of your hand that will be holding your bow. This will protect your arm from the string when you pull back to release the arrow. This is your bow. This is a right-handed bow. To hold it correctly, you'll place it in your non-dominant hand. Elbow will be straight. The arrow will get knocked onto the string. The string in the center of the bow is thicker to hold the arrow clicked into place. This is the arrow rest in which the arrow will rest upon. This is your arrow. You will each have 3 arrows in which you will get to shoot. 2 sides of it are orange colored and 1 side is yellow. The yellow side will need to be facing upright on your bow on the arrow rest when you shoot. This is our target. The points are as follows. If you hit within the white section, it is 1 point. If you hit within the black section, it's 3 points. If you hit in the blue section, it is 5 points. If you hit in the red section, it is 7 points. If you hit in the yellow areas 1 and 2 on the outside, that is 9 points. If you hit the bull's eye in the center of the target, that is 10 points. Anywhere outside of the target, around the white or gray on the outside of the paper, is no points. Let's talk about shooting technique. First, you will walk to approach the shooting area. Next, you will turn your feet towards the street. Your feet need to be wider than shoulder width apart. Soft knees. You're going to have your shoulders, hips, and feet all pointed to the street. If you are left-handed, you will face towards the school. Grip on bow. Grab the bow like a suitcase in your non-dominant hand. Make sure that the bowstring aims to your armpit. Once the bow is in hand, hold it parallel to the ground. Always bring the arrow up and over to allow it to rest on the arrow rest for balance. Click in. Always keep the bow and arrow pointed towards the ground until toward to aim at your target. Use 3 or 4 fingers to pull your string back. Place the string in the first knuckle of fingers. Pointer finger is above the arrow and the middle and ring finger are below the arrow. Arm position. Your bow arm is straight and locked out. Draw the string back towards your cheek. Arrow tip should be resting on the edge of the arrow rest. When you fire, release from your cheek. Do not bring the string forward. You want as much tension on the string as possible. Step forward. Arm guard. Bow. Arrow. Knock. Aim. Fire. Bow down. Arm guard back. Retrieve. You will twist and pull each arrow out. Make sure a hand is on the target. Rules of the range. 0 tolerance for misbehavior. Hey, set that down and go walk the gutter. Do not touch the equipment until told to do so. Never step over the fire line until you hear the command of retreat. Always walk on the range. When retrieving your arrows, keep your arrow tips pointing down. Never shoot straight up. What goes up must come down, if it can even go up. Do not dry fire.